Good morning, my dear students. I am your science teacher, S.Kiran. Welcome to our back in another session of online classes. So, students, this is the time for our recapitulation. As we know that on the coming either the 27th or 28th of September of this month, your unit test 2 examination is going to be commenced. So, this is the time to our recapitulation. And as per the syllabus that you will get in the printed ones for the syllabus as well as the exam schedule. Okay, students? So, but it's very important to know whether in the examination how we will write, because we know each and everything, but how to write in examination, it's very important. Okay, students, it's very important. In last unit test 1, I have checked, I have corrected your answer sets. In which of them I found that there are too many spelling errors are there, handwriting is very worst. So, it's very important to write anything in neat and clean handwriting. On same way, we get ready ourselves to appear any meetings, any functions in a schools, markets. In the same way, while we are writing something, anything, that is our reflector. That is our reflecting how I am, how we are. So, try to improve your handwriting. Write errorless. No need to write questions also in your examination. Many have I seen that they are not knowing answer in spite of they are only copying the question. Why it is needed? If you are not knowing, try by yourself. So it's very important to write a appropriate way. So how will you write? Just I let you know. Supposed to be a question is in your, I am talking about your examination. Supposed to be in question number 1. Fill in the blanks is given. Okay. Fill in the blanks in answer sheets. Either you write in answer sheet, either you attach a separate answer sheet for it, or you can mention in the question paper all the things. Okay. No need to attach other paper. Are you getting my points? No need to attach other paper. Why you are closing the other paper, including the question paper? Already question paper space is provided enough. Okay. So you can mention all the answers in your question paper only. Don't attach a extra paper with that same answer sheet. If you are enclosing extra answer sheet along with your question paper, you can do all the answers mentioned in that your answer sheet, not mentioned in question paper. You know, in such a way, when you are doing in both papers, in such a way, while doing the correction work, while doing the putting the marks, evaluating, that's getting problem too much to the teachers. So it's humble request, mention in one place. Either in a question paper only, either you mention attach a separate answer sheet for it. Okay, students. What you will do? See the question number in the question paper. If question number 1 in question number 1 is fill in the blanks. So in answer sheet mention question number 1. In question number 1A mention supposed to be the method is to remove grains from their stalks is called. In question number 1A, it is mentioned. So like that, question 1A mentioned, you mention the answer only. Don't write question. Don't write question. No need to write questions in your answer sheet. You write only answer. In very neat and clean handwriting. Once again. So students, this is the time to recapitulation. So let's focus on the topic. Chapter number 3rd. I am discussing about the question. Chapter number 3rd. See, in chapter number 3rd, what was there? Separation. Am I right? It was separation. See, the question is that fill in the blanks. First of all, I hope that all of you are attempting that worksheet which is delivering on every Saturday. Same way, what the patterns of the question is given on that worksheet that you are doing. Same patterns of question may be in your examination also. So, first of all, fill in the blanks may be there. True, false may be there. A scramble the words may be there. descriptive questions, that is called the subjective questions may be there, answer in 2 or 3 sentences, draw the figures may be there. Okay, sure. These all are the patterns of the question. So you have to answer accordingly. So as per our syllabus, the chapters which is included for the unit test 2 syllabus, which is designed for the unit test 2 syllabus, that is chapter number 3, chapter number 4 and chapter number 5. Yes, chapter number 5, which is covered in last videos. Okay students, so this is the time to recap for the chapter number 3. So first of all we will describe the fill in the blanks accordingly. Then after we will come to the true or false. Then after we will come on the multiple choice questions. Okay students, and descriptive questions students, subjective questions. If anybody has a problems, please just message me, just ask to me that I can deliver a written notes of it. Okay, I will make it available if you need, if you require. But first you do by yourself. Okay students, so let's focus on the chapters. Students, chapter is that the method used to remove grains. The method used to remove grains from their stalks is called. It's very simple question students. The method used to remove grains from their stalks. Have you studied in the chapter 3? What may be the answer? That answer may be the threshing. Yes students, threshing. Are you getting these points? That by which method you are separating that grains? Supposed to be grain is that rice. You have to separate rice from its crop. How will you separate? By the process of threshing. What is threshing? You know very well. Either you can do it manually, or physically, by using that long stick and you will beat on them. Either you just take a bundle of that paddy crop or rice crop and just beat on any bench or table, and that you what the fruits are there, that is rice, which is included with that. That is separating out. That is called threshing. That is called threshing. But in the question number 2, the process by which water vapor, it is not mentioned, but I am talking about water vapor. The process by which vapor changes into liquid. Vapor changes into liquid state on pulley is called, students, is called, tell me, have you observed when your mothers used to cook the food and that time what the utensils covered by the plate or something? Just you remove it and see after few minutes that few water droplets on there. What is that? That is vapor changes into liquid, that is in water. That is called condensation. Condensation. That is called condensation. So students, in question number 3, salt is obtained from seawater. We all are knowing salt is obtained from seawater. In spite of, why the process of, why the process of, which process? It is by which process salt is obtained from seawater. Have you remembered? That is exactly evaporation. By the process of evaporation, we can obtain salt from seawater. See students, the number 4, the process of allowing muddy water. The process of allowing muddy water to stand so that mud settles at the bottom. When a sediments settle down in a beaker in such condition, that process is known as sedimentation. Exactly students, sedimentation. Very good. See the students in the next topic. Students, see the question number next. The question is that fill in the blanks means cutting the crop from the field. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks means cutting the crop from the field. While which word is used for cutting the crops? Do you know? Exactly. Harvesting. What is harvesting? Harvesting is completely dedicated for the cutting the crop from the field. So students, the next topic, next question. During fill in the blanks, the solid particles that settle down, forming a layer. Students, what the question that during fill in the blanks, the solid particles that settle down. Have you remember? That is related to sedimentation, decantation, and filtration. See, the solid particles that settle down, forming a layer are called solid sediments. Right? They are called sediments. During which one? During sedimentation. Exactly, students. During sedimentation process, what the rocks there in the water, presence in the water that settles down at the weaker. So students, the next topic, next questions, fill in the blanks. Particles are lighter than grains. Particles are lighter than grains. Have you remember what? Husk. Husk particles are lighter than grains. See students, next one, fill in the blanks is used to remove. Fill in the blank from fresh fruit juice. Understood students? Filter. Filter is used to remove pulp from the fresh fruit juice. Yes, so students, you can say that filter that is called a strainer. Might be you have seen while sometimes you went on the juice corner and you demand, give me one mango shake, give me one glass of pomegranate juice. In such a way, what they use? They use a strainer to filter, to remove pulp. Do you know pulp? That is coverage, outer covering layer of fruits, that is called pulp. Okay students, see, now we will discuss on the fill in the blanks of the next chapter. We will discuss fill in the blanks on the next chapter. See, now we are on chapter number 5. Sorry, chapter number 4. Now we are on chapter number 4. Materials of daily uses, cloth. See the question. It is the chapter number 4. What is the question? Fill in the blanks. Already it was told before the starting of the description. First of all, we will discuss on the same types of question. So we have started on the by the process fill in the blanks. So we will discuss on the chapter number 4, fill in the blanks first. See, fill in the blanks and fill in the blank fibers are obtained from plants. If I ask which type of fibers we can obtain from plants, okay students, so simply see here it is mentioned, might be cotton, cotton or jute. Which two fibers are there? Cotton and jute fibers which can obtain from plants. See on the next question, nylon and polyester. Nylon and polyester are also fiber, but what type of fiber it is? It is synthetic fiber. It is synthetic fiber, that is called artificial fiber. Okay students? See, fill in the blanks is a process of removing seeds from cotton balls. You have to remember, to remove seeds from the cotton ball, what we use? We use combing. By the process of combing, we separate all seeds from the cotton balls. See students, the next question. The next question of the same exercise. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blank is the second most important natural fiber. Fill in the blank is the second most important natural fiber. If I ask you which one is the second most important natural fiber, We can say that jute. What can we say? Jute. J-U-T, jute. Fill the blank. So say students, question number next. Jute is harvested. Jute is harvested after flowering. After flowering and before they turn into seeds. Before they turn into seeds. Okay? जो कहते हैं बेटा जूट की जो हार्वेस्टिंग होती है, जूट की जो कटाई होती है, वो क्या होता है फ्लावरिंग स्टेज में होता है और जब तक वो बीज मतलब जो सीड्स होते हैं वो नहीं आ जाते हैं, ठीक है, जब तक वो फ्लावर सीड्स में नहीं कन्वर्ट हो जाए उससे स्टेज में उनको कटाई कर दी जाती है. सी द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, फिल द ब्लैंक. इन इट फिल द ब्लैंक. Two sets of yarn are woven. When two sets of yarn are woven, that process is called weaving. Very good. That process is called weaving. See students, in the next question, fill the blanks. In fill the blanks, shingle yarn is used to make a piece of fabric. Shingle yarn is used to make a fabric. That is called knitting. 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 Okay students, see the next question. To make fabrics, all fibers are first converted into. To make fabrics, all fibers are first converted into yarn. Very good students. I think you have understood. So, the fill the blank of the next exercise we will consider. See students, as we discussed about the fill the blanks in chapter number 3rd, 4th, now come to the chapter number 5. Okay, fill the blanks. See the students, question that fill the blanks materials allow light to pass through them. The students, just I ask you which types of materials have ability to light let them pass through it. Can you see? Transparent. Which type of material? Transparent. They have potentiality to light let them pass. Okay. See the students, question number 2. Fill the blanks and fill the blanks have a shining appearance. Do shining appearance? From that surface, a light can reflect back. That is shining appearance. Where you can see your face due to reflection. That is shining appearance. It means I am asking about what type of object and what type of objects have a shining appearance. We can say that. Can use utensils, steel utensils. You can mention steel utensils. Have you seen in steel utensils is there? After that, any more? Do you know? Glass. You can say that. Mirror. You can say that. Mirror have shining appearance. See in the next question, fill the blanks. Can be opaque or translucent. Can be opaque or translucent. Can you say which types of materials can be opaque or translucent? Plastic, maybe. Not these all. Maybe other examples also you can mention. Okay. See in the next question. A substance, fill in the blanks, dense than water will sink. A substance, fill in the blanks, dense than water will sink. If I asked you which types of materials have ability to sink in the water, have you? Whose density is more than water? Simple, we can say that the substance more dense than water will sink in. Simply will sink in water. See, fill the blanks and fill the blanks are gases which dissolve in water. I'm asking the students what type of gases, which types of gases are dissolved in water. Can you mention oxygen or carbon dioxide? So students, the next question, umbrellas are made of fill in the blanks. Umbrellas are made of fill in the blanks materials. What types of materials are used to make an umbrella? Make an umbrella. Can you mention? So that why? Because water it saves us from rainy season. It saves us in rainy season. How? Because its material is water resistant. Its material is used as water resistant. So, students, it is all about the recapitulation of the first pattern, that is fill in the blanks, that is related to chapter 3, chapter 4, chapter 5. In the next video, we will see the next pattern as the true false. Okay, students, till that, keep revising and prepare yourself for the unit test 2. That's all.